Surah Al-Saffat, those who stand in rows. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 182 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والصافات صفا.
By those who have made orderly rows.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
Then by those who impel with force.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
Then by those who recite the Quran.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
Indeed, your Lord is one.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما ورب المشارق.
Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all that lies between them, and Lord of the points of sunrise.
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا بزينة الكواكب.
Indeed, we adorn the lowest heaven with stars.
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
And to protect from every rebellious devil.
لا يسمعون إلى الملأ الأعلى ويقذفون من كل جانب.
They cannot listen to the matters discussed in the highest realm, and they are struck from every direction.
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب.
To drive them away, and there is eternal torment for them.
إلا من خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
Except whosoever steals away some speech on occasion, then a bright flame pursues him.
فاستفتهم أهم أشد خلقا أم من خلقنا إنا خلقناهم من طين لازب.
So ask them, is their creation more difficult or our other creation? Indeed, we have created them from sticky clay.
بل عجبت ويسخرون.
Rather, you express surprise while they are mocking.
وإذا ذكروا لا يذكرون.
And when they are advised, they do not heed advice.
وإذا رأوا آية يستسخرون.
And when they see a sign, they ridicule it.
وقالوا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And they say, this is only clear sorcery.
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
When we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be raised?
أو آباؤنا الأولون.
And our forefathers too?
قل نعم وأنتم داخرون.
Say, yes, and you shall be humiliated.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم ينظرون.
So it will be a single scolding, then they will begin to see.
وقالوا يا ويلنا هذا يوم الدين.
And they will say, alas, our ruin, this is the day of recompense.
هذا يوم الفصل الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
This is the day of verdict, which you used to deny.
احشروا الذين ظلموا وأزواجهم وما كانوا يعبدون.
Gather the oppressors and their comrades and that which they were worshipping.
من دون الله فاهدوهم إلى صراط الجحيم.
Other than Allah, then show them the way to hell.
وقفوهم إنهم مسؤولون.
And stop them, indeed they shall be questioned.
ما لكم لا تناصرون.
What is the matter with you? Why do you not help each other?
بل هم اليوم مستسلمون.
Rather, this day they will be submissively present.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
Some will turn to others questioning one another.
قالوا إنكم كنتم تأتوننا عن اليمين.
They will say, you used to come to us with power.
قالوا بل لم تكونوا مؤمنين.
They will say, rather you disbelieved yourselves.
وما كان لنا عليكم من سلطان بل كنتم قوما طاغين.
And we had no power over you, rather you were rebellious people.
فحق علينا قول ربنا إنا لذائقون.
So the word of our Lord was established against us that we shall indeed taste punishment.
فأغويناكم إنا كنا غاوين.
So we led you astray. Indeed, we ourselves were misguided.
فإنهم يومئذ في العذاب مشتركون.
So on that day, they will all share the punishment.
إنا كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
Thus we deal with the wrongdoers.
إنهم كانوا إذا قيل لهم لا إله إلا الله يستكبرون.
When it was said to them, there is no God except Allah, they would resort to arrogance.
ويقولون أئنا لتاركو آلهتنا لشاعر مجنون.
And they would say, should we forsake our gods for an insane poet?
بل جاء بالحق وصدق المرسلين.
Rather, he brought the truth, and he confirmed the messengers.
إنكم لذائق العذاب الأليم.
Indeed, you will taste painful punishment.
وما تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And you will only be recompensed for your deeds.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
أولئك لهم رزق معلوم.
For them there will be known sustenance.
فواكه وهم مكرمون.
Fruits, and they will be honored
في جنات النعيم
in gardens of comfort
على سرر متقابلين
upon thrones facing one another.
يطاف عليهم بكأس من معين
Cups of pure heavenly wine will be presented to them,
بيضاء لذة للشاربين
white, delightful to those who drink.
لا فيها غول ولا هم عنها ينزفون
There will be no loss of judgment due to it, nor will they be intoxicated.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف عين
And with them will be maidens who lower their gaze, having large, beautiful eyes,
كأنهن بيض مكنون
as if they were preserved eggs.
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون
Then some of them, i.e., the people of paradise, will face others questioning one another.
قال قائل منهم إني كان لي قرين
A speaker among them will say, "Indeed, I once had a companion
يقول أئنك لمن المصدقين
who would say, Are you among those who attest?
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمدينون
When we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be recompensed?"
قال هل أنتم مطلعون
He, i.e., the first speaker will say, "Will you take a look into the fire?"
فاطلع فرآه في سواء الجحيم
So he will look. Then he will see his companion in the middle of the blazing fire.
قال تالله إن كدت لتردين
He will say, "By Allah, you almost destroyed me.
ولولا نعمة ربي لكنت من المحضرين
And had it not been for the favor of my Lord, I would certainly have been seized and arraigned."
أفما نحن بميتين
So will we not die?
إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمعذبين
Except for our first death, and we will not be punished.
إن هذا لهو الفوز العظيم
Indeed, this is supreme success.
لمثل هذا فليعمل العاملون
Those who work should work for such success.
أذلك خير نزلا أم شجرة الزقوم
Is this hospitality better, or the tree of Zakkum?
إنا جعلناها فتنة للظالمين
We have made it a trial for the oppressors.
إنها شجرة تخرج في أصل الجحيم
It is a tree which comes forth from the depths of hell.
طلعها كأنه رؤوس الشياطين
Its buds are like the heads of devils.
فإنهم لآكلون منها فمالئون منها البطون
Then they shall eat from it, so they will fill their stomachs with it.
ثم إن لهم عليها لشوبا من حميم.
Then indeed on top of that there is a blend of boiling water for them.
ثم إن مرجعهم لإلى الجحيم.
Then certainly their return is to the blazing fire.
إنهم ألفوا آباءهم ضالين.
They found their forefathers astray,
فهم على آثارهم يهرعون.
so they hasten in their footsteps.
ولقد ضل قبلهم أكثر الأولين.
And surely before them many predecessors went astray.
ولقد أرسلنا فيهم منذرين.
And we certainly sent warners among them.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
So see what became of the warned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
ولقد نادانا نوح فلنعم المجيبون.
Certainly Nuh called upon us, so what excellent responders we are.
ونجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
We granted him and his family salvation from the great calamity.
وجعلنا ذريته هم الباقين.
And we only preserved his progeny.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على نوح في العالمين.
Peace be upon Nuh among all the inhabitants of the world.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Indeed, thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Certainly he is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
ثم أغرقنا الآخرين.
Then we drowned the others.
وإن من شيعته لإبراهيم.
And certainly Ibrahim is from his group.
إذ جاء ربه بقلب سليم.
When he came to his Lord with a pure heart.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ماذا تعبدون.
When he said to his father, i.e., uncle, and his nation, what do you worship?
أئفكا آلهة دون الله تريدون. Do
you seek gods other than Allah through fabrication?
فما ظنكم برب العالمين.
So what do you think of the Lord of all the worlds?
فنظر نظرة في النجوم.
Then he looked once at the stars.
فقال إني سقيم.
So he said, I am about to become ill.
فتولوا عنه مدبرين.
So they withdrew from him, turning their backs.
فراغ إلى آلهتهم فقال ألا تأكلون.
Then he proceeded secretly towards their gods. So he said, "Do you not eat?
ما لكم لا تنطقون
What is the matter with you that you do not speak?"
فراغ عليهم ضربا باليمين
So he began to strike them with his right hand secretly.
فأقبلوا إليه يزفون
Then they came to him rushing.
قال أتعبدون ما تنحتون
He said, "Do you worship that which you yourselves carve?
والله خلقكم وما تعملون
And Allah created you and your deeds."
قالوا ابنوا له بنيانا فألقوه في الجحيم
They said, "Erect for him a structure, then cast him into the blazing fire."
فأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأسفلين
So they wanted to deceive him, so we made them the lowest.
وقال إني ذاهب إلى ربي سيهدين
And he said, "Indeed, I am going to my Lord, so he will guide me.
رب هب لي من الصالحين
O my Lord, grant me a pious child."
فبشرناه بغلام حليم
So we gave him glad tidings of a forbearing boy.
فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين.
When he reached the age of striving in his company, he said, "O my son, I have seen in a dream that I am sacrificing you. So consider, what is your opinion?" He said, "O my father, do what you have been commanded to do. If Allah wills, you shall soon find me to be among the patient."
فلما أسلما وتله للجبين
So when both submitted and he, i.e. Ibrahim, laid him, his son, down upon his forehead,
وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم
and we called out to him, "O Ibrahim,
قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين
you have certainly fulfilled the dream. Thus we reward the virtuous.
إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين
Indeed, this was a clear trial.
وفديناه بذبح عظيم
And we ransomed him with a great sacrifice.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على إبراهيم
Peace be upon Ibrahim.
كذلك نجزي المحسنين
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين
He is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وبشرناه بإسحاق نبيا من الصالحين
And we gave him glad tidings of Ishaq, who is a prophet among the righteous elite.
وباركنا عليه وعلى إسحاق ومن ذريتهما محسن وظالم لنفسه مبين.
And we blessed him and Ishaq, and from their offspring some are virtuous and some clearly wrong themselves.
ولقد مننا على موسى وهارون.
And we certainly bestowed favor upon Musa and Harun,
ونجيناهما وقومهما من الكرب العظيم.
and we granted them and their nation salvation from a great calamity.
ونصرناهم فكانوا هم الغالبين.
And we helped them so they prevailed.
وآتيناهما الكتاب المستبين.
And we granted them the illuminating book.
وهديناهما الصراط المستقيم.
And we showed them the straight path.
وتركنا عليهما في الآخرين.
And we maintained their praise among the later generations.
سلام على موسى وهارون.
Peace be upon Musa and Harun.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنهما من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Indeed, they are from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وإن إلياس لمن المرسلين.
And indeed, Ilyas is among the messengers.
إذ قال لقومه ألا تتقون.
When he said to his nation, "Do you not fear?
أتدعون بعلا وتذرون أحسن الخالقين.
Do you worship Baal, leaving the best of creators?
الله ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
Allah is your Lord and the Lord of your forefathers."
فكذبوه فإنهم لمحضرون.
Then they denied him, so they will certainly be arraigned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen people of Allah.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we maintained his praise among the later generations.
سلام على الياسين.
Peace be upon Ilyas.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus we recompense the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Indeed, he is from our people who have the highest level of perfect faith.
وإن لوطا لمن المرسلين.
Certainly Lut is from the messengers.
إذ نجيناه وأهله أجمعين.
When we granted him and his whole family salvation,
إلا عجوزا في الغابرين.
except an old woman among those who remained behind.
ثم دمرنا الآخرين.
Then we destroyed the others.
وإنكم لتمرون عليهم مصبحين.
And indeed you pass by them in the morning.
وبالليل أفلا تعقلون
And at night, do you not understand?
وإن يونس لمن المرسلين
And indeed Yunus is among the messengers.
إذ أبق إلى الفلك المشحون
When he went forth towards a fully laden ship,
فساهم فكان من المدحضين
so he, the shipmaster, cast lots. Then he, Yunus, became among those who were pushed away.
فالتقمه الحوت وهو مليم
Then he was swallowed by a fish and he was blaming himself.
فلولا أنه كان من المسبحين
So had he not been among those who glorify Allah,
للبث في بطنه إلى يوم يبعثون
he would certainly have stayed in its belly until the day of resurrection.
فنبذناه بالعراء وهو سقيم
Then we placed him ashore while he was sick,
وأنبتنا عليه شجرة من يقطين
and we caused a gourd tree to grow over him,
وأرسلناه إلى 100,000 أو يزيدون
and we sent him to 100,000 people, in fact even more.
فآمنوا فمتعناهم إلى حين
Then they believed, so we granted them provision for a specified time.
فاستفتهم ألربك البنات ولهم البنون
So ask them, are there daughters for your Lord and sons for them?
أم خلقنا الملائكة إناثا وهم شاهدون
Or did we make angels female and they were present?
ألا إنهم من إفكهم ليقولون
Pay heed, indeed they speak from their slander.
ولد الله وإنهم لكاذبون
That Allah has children, and indeed they are liars.
أصطفى البنات على البنين
Has He chosen daughters over sons?
ما لكم كيف تحكمون
What is the matter with you? How do you judge?
أفلا تذكرون
Do you not reflect?
أم لكم سلطان مبين
Or do you have a clear proof?
فأتوا بكتابكم إن كنتم صادقين
So bring forth your book if you are truthful.
وجعلوا بينه وبين الجنة نسبا ولقد علمت الجنة إنهم لمحضرون
And they alleged a bond of lineage between him and the jinn, and the evil jinn certainly know that indeed they shall be arraigned.
سبحان الله عما يصفون
Allah is pure from that which they ascribe,
إلا عباد الله المخلصين
except the chosen people of Allah.
فإنكم وما تعبدون
So you and that which you worship other than Allah,
ما أنتم عليه بفاتنين
you cannot incite anyone against him.
إلا من هو صال الجحيم
except he who will enter the blazing fire.
وما منا إلا له مقام معلوم.
The angels say, there is none among us except he who has a known station.
وإنا لنحن الصافون.
And indeed we are standing in rows.
وإنا لنحن المسبحون.
And we glorify him.
وإن كانوا ليقولون.
And indeed they, the disbelievers, used to say,
لو أن عندنا ذكرا من الأولين.
if we had some advice of the predecessors,
لكنا عباد الله المخلصين.
we would certainly have been among the chosen people of Allah.
فكفروا به فسوف يعلمون.
Then they denied it, so soon they shall come to know.
ولقد سبقت كلمتنا لعبادنا المرسلين.
And our word has already gone forth for our people, the messengers,
إنهم لهم المنصورون.
that surely they will be helped.
وإن جندنا لهم الغالبون.
Our army will be victorious.
فتول عنهم حتى حين.
So turn away from them until a specified time.
وأبصرهم فسوف يبصرون.
And observe them, then soon they shall see.
أفبعذابنا يستعجلون.
So do they seek our punishment in haste?
فإذا نزل بساحتهم فساء صباح المنذرين.
So when it shall descend upon their courtyard, how terrible will be the morning of the warned.
وتول عنهم حتى حين.
So turn away from them until a specified time.
وأبصر فسوف يبصرون.
And observe them, then soon they shall see.
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون.
Your Lord the Exalted is pure from that which they ascribe.
وسلام على المرسلين.
And peace be upon the messengers.
والحمد لله رب العالمين.
And all praise is for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.